Hello everyone, I am Red Teacher, and today, I will lead you to appreciate the traditional Chinese culture, boneless ink painting. Today, we are going to talk about Confederate Rose with boneless painting. Now let's get started. Use cinnabar and vermilion to draw the reverse petals. The petals are smaller in front and larger in back. The front petals are lighter in color. Use gamboge and vermilion. Then use a brush to dip in red and rouge to draw patterns. Hook the stamens with white and gamboge. Then hook the filament from the head to the tail. Finally, use grass and cinnabar to draw the flower base and stems. A beautiful Confederate rose is ready. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.